A completely PC-free method to recover our device. If you have a screen lock or have forgotten your Gmail account. In this video tutorial, we're going to be able to recover it from one of the easier and simpler ways without needing to use a PC. A completely PC-free method. As we can see here, we have that little padlock left over from formatting it. We reset our phone after having. The restored item was left with this little padlock. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is connect, which is a Wi-Fi network, to begin the recovery process. Okay, let's connect to the Wi-Fi network. Let's get there first before we start. The recovery process will take us back to where it all began. Up to where that screen lock appears. And then where it now says, Add Google Account. That was the first thing we overlooked. First we had a screen lock. We formatted our phone and then we were left with that Google account. For those who want to see other different video tutorials, we have several methods, a PC method and a method without a PC. We've included all those methods in the video description. You will also be able to find all those methods in the first pinned comment. Different methods, additional methods, we're going to click here where it says Do Not Copy. We click where it says Do Not Copy, and then it would take us. In the section where the screen lock appears, it says Use a Google account. This is what I was indicating to him for those people who know the Google account can add it. They click Next. Add the password and it will give you access to be able to recover your device faster than ever. For those people who don't know anything about that, I recommend you click here where it says Forget Gmail. Let's write anything here. We click Next, you're also going to write this here. Write this here too, then click Next. Next, we're going to do this for 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds are up, let's go. To start accessing our device and being able to recover it. One of the easiest and simplest ways is to watch the step-by-step video tutorial. The ending so you don't miss any details and can find a solution. And recovery. Having said all that, so what we're going to use to access our device? We will use the following. We're going to use a PC keyboard. That's what we're going to use in today's video tutorial, a PC keyboard. We're going to use an OTG cable to be able to the keyboard by entering it here on the device. We're going to synchronize that keyboard with our cell phone. Then what we're going to do is have a SIM card locked with a PIN code. We're going to have a SIM card locked with a PIN code. We're going to insert the locked SIM card. Then what we're going to do is block the device with that SIM card. We're going to click here for emergency. Here we will dial the emergency number according to your country. We're going to dial the emergency number according to our country. And we're going to press the right key to access our phone. Let's press the key. Enter. Let's press the Enter key and go back again. We dial the emergency number again and try again. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's try again. Now let's see. Let's remove the SIM card. We remove the To unsync car we click back. A gentle click back and we can see that we have entered We have entered Google Maps. Which was what we wanted to do. Go to Google Maps, since we've been here on Google Maps. What we're going to do now is the following. We're going to remove the SIM card. We're going to remove that SIM jar and now we're going to click here where it says, jump. We're going to click here to jump, then this little ball will appear. We click on the little ball, we click on adjustment. Then we select notifications, we activate notifications. We go back in, they're activated, we go back. We click on location, we click on OK. We go to accessibility settings, enable accessibility. We selected this Google location setting. We click where it says, all, we click here on the 3 dots, show. Topic and now what we are going to do is this. Let's go to the magnifying glass and type accessibility. Let's write these words, delete 1, select accessibility. We go up, select the accessibility menu. We give him all the permissions, we give him back. We delete, we select, we're going to write battery. Battery we select battery usage of apps. We select the option that is automatically indicated to us. We're going to search here, we'll now select Google Play services. We have disabled these Google Play services. Now that it's disabled, let's restart our device. Now we'll wait for our phone to completely restart. Once our phone has completely restarted, we are going to complete the recovery process. That's why it's recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you won't miss any details and you'll be able to find the solution in this video tutorial. Having said all that, now, well, I'm going to tell you that in the video description and the first pinned comment have other methods. Completely different methods, PC-based and non-PC-based. So that they can also see those tutorial videos. Having said all that, now that our phone has restarted, let's click back. We're going to click here where it says, continue offline. We click accept, now the screen is just flashing here. That's the mistake we want. We go back, we tap the 3 dots, we select accessibility here. Then we select the accessibility menu. Then we select the magnifying glass, and click here where it says, BAT. We write battery, we erase letter. We select the option indicated here where it says battery usage. We select it here, we'll look for Google Play services, we click on enable. It's now fully enabled, we're going back. Back, we click on continue offline. Accept and continue, it takes us to Google services, we click accept. We press skip, we wait a few seconds, we press not now. Not now, we'll click next, here we're going to click finish. As you know, our phone still has some errors. To correct these errors, we go to settings, about the phone. We reset it, and when the phone resets, we reconfigure it so that it works without any errors.